Our universe is a vast library of mysteries and marvels, waiting to be explored. Every day, scientists uncover new truths about our world, from the microscopic wonders within our bodies to the cosmic phenomena shaping distant galaxies. Each fact has the potential to change the way we see life, inspire curiosity, and deepen our understanding of existence. This collection of mind-blowing facts is designed to boost your knowledge and ignite your sense of wonder. Get ready to learn about incredible natural phenomena, astonishing historical events, and the cutting-edge discoveries that push the boundaries of human understanding. Let's dive into these fascinating truths that will expand your mind and spark endless curiosity. 1. A single strand of DNA contains more data than a modern computer. DNA, the molecule that carries genetic instructions for all living organisms, is one of the most efficient storage systems in the universe. In just 1 gram of DNA, it's possible to store 215 petabytes of data, equivalent to over 47 million Blu-ray discs. This incredible density is due to the way DNA encodes information using a sequence of 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. Scientists are exploring ways to use synthetic DNA for data storage, potentially revolutionizing technology by creating storage systems that are far smaller, more durable, and environmentally friendly. This discovery highlights how nature often outpaces human innovation, offering solutions that are both elegant and efficient. 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are among the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, and their unique physiology sets them apart. They have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. What's even more intriguing is that their blood is blue, not red, due to the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule that carries oxygen. This adaptation allows octopuses to survive in the low-oxygen environments of the deep sea, where their remarkable intelligence and camouflage skills make them effective hunters and survivors. Their alien-like characteristics have even inspired speculation about their evolutionary origins and their potential as models for advanced robotics and artificial intelligence. 3. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower with 1 ovary and contains seeds embedded in its flesh. By this definition, bananas qualify as berries because they develop from a single ovary and contain seeds, even though they are tiny and underdeveloped in cultivated varieties. Strawberries, on the other hand, are not berries because they develop from multiple ovaries in a single flower. The tiny seed-like structures on their surface are technically called achenes, each containing a single seed, making strawberries an aggregate fruit rather than a true berry. This quirky distinction underscores the complexity of botanical classifications and reminds us that common terminology often oversimplifies nature's intricacies. The human brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. The human brain operates on electrical impulses, and its 86 billion neurons communicate through tiny bursts of electricity. Combined, these impulses generate about 20 watts of electrical power, enough to power a small LED light bulb. While this might not seem like much, it's remarkable considering the brain's size and energy efficiency. Despite accounting for only 2% of body weight, the brain consumes roughly 20% of the body's total energy, mostly to maintain its vast network of neural connections. Understanding this electrical activity has paved the way for breakthroughs in neuroscience, including brain-computer interfaces that could one day restore mobility to paralyzed individuals or enhance human cognitive abilities. 5. There's enough DNA in the human body to stretch to the sun and back. If you unraveled all the DNA in a single human body and laid it out end to end, it would stretch approximately 93 billion miles, enough to make the journey to the Sun and back over 500 times. This staggering length comes from the fact that DNA is coiled and compacted into chromosomes within each cell. Each cell contains about 6 feet of DNA, and with roughly 37.2 trillion cells in the human body, the total length quickly adds up. This mind-bending fact not only illustrates the incredible scale of biological complexity, but also highlights the elegance of nature's design in fitting so much information into such a microscopic space. 6. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Known as the Mpemba effect, this counterintuitive phenomenon occurs under certain conditions where hot water freezes faster than cold water. While the exact mechanism is still debated, several factors contribute to the effect. 7. Your stomach gets a new lining. Every few days, the lining of your stomach contains cells that produce gastric acid strong enough to dissolve metal. To protect itself from being digested, the stomach replaces its lining every 3 to 4 days. This rapid turnover is crucial for maintaining the stomach's integrity while processing food and defending against harmful bacteria. Without it, the corrosive effects of stomach acid would damage the organ, leading to ulcers and other complications. This remarkable regeneration showcases the body's ability to maintain balance and protect itself, even in the face of its own powerful digestive processes. 8. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. The observable universe contains an estimated 200 billion trillion, 200 sextillion stars, vastly outnumbering the grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts of Earth. This estimate comes from calculating the number of galaxies in the universe, roughly 2 trillion, and the average number of stars per galaxy. What's even more astonishing is that this count doesn't include planets, moons, or other celestial objects, which add to the cosmic abundance. This fact is a humbling reminder of the universe's immensity and our small but significant place within it. It also fuels humanity's enduring curiosity about what lies beyond our solar system. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of France, can grow by up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, during the summer due to thermal expansion. When metal heats up, its particles move faster and spread out, causing the structure to expand. Conversely, during colder months, the tower contracts back to its original height. This phenomenon is not unique to the Eiffel Tower, but is a common property of metals and other materials. Engineers account for this expansion and contraction when designing structures to ensure stability under varying temperatures. This subtle transformation is a fascinating blend of science and engineering, illustrating how even static objects like monuments are influenced by nature's laws. 10. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation, taking 243 Earth days to complete one full spin on its axis. However, its orbit around the Sun is much faster, lasting only 225 Earth days. This means a single day on Venus is longer than a Venusian year. Interestingly, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Scientists believe this retrograde rotation may have been caused by a massive collision during the planet's formation. This unusual rotation, combined with its scorching atmosphere and thick clouds, makes Venus one of the most enigmatic and inhospitable planets in our solar system. 11. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's longevity is due to its low moisture content, high acidity, and the presence of natural preservatives like hydrogen peroxide, which prevent microbial growth. Honey's remarkable shelf life has made it a symbol of immortality in many cultures and a valuable commodity throughout history. This unique property underscores the brilliance of nature's design, offering a sweet treat that can literally last forever. 12th, wombat poop is cube-shaped. Wombats, marsupials native to Australia, are famous for producing cube-shaped feces. This unusual trait helps prevent the poop from rolling away, allowing wombats to use it to mark their territory effectively. The shape results from the varying elasticity in the walls of their intestines, which compresses the feces into cubes during digestion. This adaptation is a quirky yet practical solution to a territorial challenge in the wild. Scientists are studying wombat intestines to inspire innovations in manufacturing and packaging, proving that even the strangest biological phenomena can have real-world applications. 13. There's a mini brain in your gut. The human gut contains about 100 million neurons, earning it the nickname the second brain. This network, known as the enteric nervous system, operates independently to regulate digestion, monitor gut health, and even influence mood and behavior. The gut-brain connection is bidirectional, with the microbiome playing a significant role. Gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which impact mental health and cognitive function. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of the relationship between diet, mental well-being, and overall health, emphasizing the importance of gut care for holistic wellness. 14. Saturn's density is so low it could float in water. Saturn, the second largest planet in the solar system, is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, making it the least dense planet. Its average density is so low, about 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter, that it would float if placed in a body of water large enough to accommodate it. This astonishing fact highlights the diversity of planetary compositions in our solar system. Saturn's low density also contributes to its rapid rotation, which flattens the planet at its poles and bulges it at the equator, giving it an oblate shape. Despite its lightness, Saturn's gravity is immense due to its size, reminding us that density and mass are separate but equally fascinating properties of celestial bodies. 15. Sloths can hold their breath. Longer than dolphins, sloths, known for their slow movements and laid-back lifestyle, can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. This is longer than dolphins, which typically hold their breath for about 10 to 15 minutes. Sloths achieve this feat by reducing their heart rate to 1/3 of its normal pace, conserving oxygen, and allowing them to stay submerged while crossing rivers or avoiding predators. Their slow metabolism further supports this capability, as their bodies require less oxygen overall. This surprising adaptation reveals how even the seemingly lethargic sloth has evolved remarkable survival strategies in its arboreal and aquatic habitats. 16. Lightning strikes the Earth 8 million times per day. Every second, about 100 lightning bolts strike somewhere on Earth, amounting to roughly 8 million strikes per day. Lightning is a powerful natural phenomenon caused by the buildup of electrical charges in clouds, which discharge in a dramatic burst of energy. The temperature of a lightning bolt can reach up to 30,000 Kelvin, 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit, making it 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning also plays a critical role in the Earth's nitrogen cycle by breaking nitrogen molecules in the atmosphere, enabling them to combine with oxygen and form compounds essential for plant growth. This phenomenon is both destructive and life-giving, a reminder of nature's immense power and intricate balance. 17. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years. predating the appearance of trees by at least 50 million years. While modern sharks differ from their prehistoric ancestors, their basic body structure has remained remarkably consistent, a testament to their evolutionary success. Trees, as we know them today, began appearing around 350 million years ago during the Devonian period, evolving from earlier plants. Sharks' longevity as a species highlights their adaptability and resilience in changing environments, from ancient oceans to modern waters. This timeline not only underscores the durability of life forms like sharks, but also offers a humbling perspective on the evolutionary history of our planet. 18. The M's in M&M's stand for Forrest Mars and Bruce Murray. The beloved candy M&M's gets its name from the last names of its creators: Forrest Mars, son of the Mars Company founder, and Bruce Murray, the son of Hershey's president at the time. The two collaborated during World War II to create a candy-coated chocolate that wouldn't melt easily, making it ideal for soldiers to carry in their rations. Launched in 1941, M&M's quickly became a favorite and eventually evolved into one of the most recognized candy brands in the world. This partnership illustrates how necessity and collaboration can lead to timeless innovations that delight generations. 19. Your tongue print is as unique as your fingerprint. Just like fingerprints, every individual has a unique tongue print, defined by the intricate patterns of ridges and grooves on their tongue's surface. This uniqueness has led scientists to explore tongue prints as a potential biometric identifier for security systems. The tongue's distinctiveness is coupled with its complexity. It's the only muscle in the human body that works independently of the skeleton. It plays vital roles in speech, taste, and digestion, making it one of the most versatile and fascinating parts of the human anatomy. This fun fact not only highlights the individuality of every person, but also the untapped potential of biometrics in unexpected places. 20. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. While the Milky Way contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars, Earth boasts over 3 trillion trees. This staggering figure was discovered in a 2015 study that used satellite imagery and ground data to calculate tree density across the globe. Despite this abundance, deforestation continues to pose a significant threat to ecosystems and climate stability. Trees play a crucial role in carbon storage, water cycles, and habitat creation, making their preservation essential for a sustainable future. 21. Pineapples take 2 years to grow. Pineapples, the tropical fruit adored for their sweetness and tang, take an astonishing 2 years to grow to maturity. The plant produces a single pineapple at a time, making it a slow but rewarding crop for farmers. The process begins with planting the crown, the leafy top of the pineapple. Over the first year, the plant focuses on growing its long, spiny leaves. Around the 18-month mark, it starts producing a flower, which eventually becomes the fruit. After the pineapple is harvested, the plant may continue to produce smaller fruits, but the yield is significantly reduced. This lengthy growth cycle underscores why pineapples are often seen as a luxury fruit, especially in regions far from their native tropical climates. 22. A day on Mercury is longer than its year. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, has an orbital period of just 88 Earth days, meaning it completes a full revolution around the Sun in less than 3 months. However, a single day on Mercury, one full rotation on its axis, takes about 59 Earth days. This mismatch between its rotation and revolution means that if you stood on Mercury, you would experience long, scorching days and equally long, freezing nights. Temperatures swing dramatically from 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, during the day to -290 degrees Fahrenheit, -179 degrees Celsius at night, making Mercury an incredibly harsh environment. This unusual dynamic provides fascinating insights into how proximity to a star can drastically affect a planet's behavior and habitability. 23. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies don't have mouths or tongues like humans. Instead, they rely on specialized taste sensors located on their feet. These sensors help butterflies identify plants suitable for laying eggs and feeding. When a butterfly lands on a plant, its feet detect chemical compounds, allowing it to determine if the plant is a good source of nectar or an appropriate host for its larvae. This ability ensures that the next generation has the best chance for survival. This unique adaptation highlights the diversity of sensory systems in nature and the innovative ways animals interact with their environments. 24. The Earth's inner core spins faster than the surface. Deep within the Earth lies a solid inner core composed mainly of iron and nickel. This core, about the size of the Moon, spins slightly faster than the planet's surface. Scientists discovered this phenomenon by studying seismic waves, which reveal that the inner core completes a rotation about once every 400 to 600 years relative to the Earth's outer layers. This differential rotation is believed to play a crucial role in generating Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet from harmful solar radiation. The inner workings of our planet remain a frontier of scientific exploration, reminding us that Earth is as dynamic below the surface as it is above. 25. Dolphins call each other by name. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on Earth, and their communication skills are remarkable. Studies have shown that dolphins use unique whistles to identify and call out to specific individuals, effectively giving each other names. These signature whistles are learned by dolphin calves from their mothers and remain with them for life. Dolphins also recognize the whistles of companions, even after years of separation, indicating advanced memory and social bonding capabilities. This discovery underscores the complexity of dolphin societies and their striking similarities to human communication and relationships. As we wrap up this journey through unbelievable and mind-blowing facts, one thing becomes clear. The world is an endless treasure trove of wonders. From the depths of the ocean to the farthest reaches of space, and from the intricacies of our own bodies to the marvels of nature's designs, there is so much to discover and appreciate. These facts are more than just interesting tidbits. They remind us to stay curious, question the world around us, and seek out new perspectives. Every astonishing truth we learn is a testament to the ingenuity of nature, the brilliance of science, and the boundless potential of human understanding. So let this collection of facts inspire you to explore further. Whether it's diving into a new subject, marveling at the beauty of the natural world, or simply sharing these insights with others, let your curiosity guide you. Knowledge is not only power, it's a passport to a lifetime of wonder. Stay amazed, stay inspired, and never stop learning. The world is always ready to surprise you.